So in this question, we are to find out Z parameters of this given circuit. It is a T-shaped network. The resistances are 5 kilo ohm, 3 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm. So let us first name the nodes. So we named the nodes A, B, C, D, E, F for our convenience. Now we'll write the standard equation of Z parameters. These two equations are standard equation for Z parameter. On LHS, we see V1 and V2 respectively, and on RHS sides, we have I1 and I2 as variable quantities. So our goal is to write the equations of this circuit in these standard forms, and then we'll compare the values to all the Z coefficients. So when we look at the circuit, we come to know that the current flowing through AB branch is I1 and the current flowing through CB branch is I2. So the current that will be flowing through the BE branch will be I1 plus I2. So let us apply the KVL and write equations accordingly. V1 is equal to I1 multiplied by 5 kilo ohm, 5 into 10 to the power 3 I1, and 12 kilo ohm multiplied by I1 plus I2, because we are taking the loop A, B, E, D, A. Now we will simplify the equation in terms of I1 and I2. Adding these two quantities, we get and 12 into 10 to the power 3 I2. Let us call it equation 3. So if we compare the coefficients of I1 from equation 1 and 3, we come to realize the value of Z11 is 17 into 10 to the power 3 ohm, and the value of Z21 is 12 into 10 to the power 3, that is coefficient of I2, similar to equation 1. Because we framed the equation 3 similar to equation 1, where we have V1 in LHS and I1, I2 in RHS. In the similar fashion, we'll try to find an equation similar to equation 2. So this time we'll take the loop C, B, E, F. So the equation will be like 3 kilo ohm multiplied by I2 plus 12 kilo ohm multiplied by I1 plus I2. This 12 kilo ohm multiplied by I1 plus I2. We will simplify. 12 into 10 to the power 3 multiplied by I1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 3 I2 plus 12 into 10 to the power 3 I2. Simplifying, we receive 15 into 10 to the power 3 I2. Compare this equation, let's call it equation 4. Compare this equation with equation 2. We have V2 in LHS and I1 and I2 in RHS. So now all that we have to do is to simply compare the coefficients of I1 and I2. So we have the answer Z11, Z21, Z121, Z22. So it is pretty simple questions. In other videos, we'll do more complicated ones.